Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison.network with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, I had bought this long time ago actually. Only this time I already had time to do a review, also the unboxing to use this product. So yeah, it's called EYD Magnetic Power Bank. 5000 mAh model JS35. Without further ado, let's look into the some of the pictures and also the details. This is from Shopee, the one that I bought. So there's black, purple, white. The one that I bought is this one. White color, 5000 mAh, PD 22.5 watt. Okay, whatever. The price that I bought is 45 ringgit 90 cents, about 46 ringgit for 5000. And then 5000 mAh. Yeah, this is the description. Output with wire is 12 volt. Later I will show you 12 volt, and wireless output is 9 volt. Very easy not to fall. I will show you what does it mean. See, output type C wire 12 volt 1.5A, and output for wireless 9 volt 2.25, around there. Okay, let's look into the product. Let's unboxing. So this is it. Model JS35. Give magnetic patch. The one that I said magnetic, not fall. Check in, okay. The one I bought is white color. Shenzhen. Okay, let's look into the product inside. Okay, there's nothing. Put it here. Type C wire. The magnetic. This is the one that to stick on your phone behind, and then the so when example when you stick on your phone behind like this, and then it will stick together. Like that's why it said cannot fall, like not easy to fall. Okay, so magnetic ring. Nanti on the side. It's like rubbery. Okay, to on, switch on, press 1. To switch off, double press. Alright, to if you don't have a ring also behind your phone, doesn't matter. If your phone is wireless charging, it's still gonna wireless charging. So I find out like for the flip, it's supposed to be on like on this here, like this. Charging. So there's a light just moment. I'll show you. Wait. There's supposed to be like green color. Just now I saw green color wireless fast charging. Okay, this wireless fast charging is the same fast charging with 9 volt, the one that I had also at home. Okay, so that's it, unboxing from me. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested to buy the product, I'm gonna share the link below the video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.